powerful is it? Okay.
What?
How powerful is it?
It's not bad for...
Like I know. Well, I guess one thing. It has rubber wheels versus plastic wheels.
I know if I had plastic, you'd be like...
Yeah, but they have cars.
Get it. It's gonna get you, Cayden.
Oh no. Oh no.
You better run. You better run. Oh no. Oh well. Go get it. Hey, don't push on those. Cayden, no, don't push on them. Don't fall it out. You know it's Can you clap your hands? Good job, bud.
You
Can you clap your hands at the same time?
Can you touch your...
Cayden, where are your wrinkle pits? No,
That's your bum bum.
Where are your wrinkle pits?
Does it go like this?
Sometimes, yeah. And he knows that when we ask, we tickle him, so usually he's very hesitant.
Wrinkle tips. Wrinkle pits.
Wrinkle pits.